Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be doing a tutorial on this soft glam smudged eyeliner look. So if you're interested in that, then make sure you stay tuned and keep on watching. So today we're starting with applying our foundation, and we're just going to buff that in like normal, and then going in with a little bit of concealer. We're just going to apply that to the areas we normally do and start to blend that in as well. Now I went in with some more concealer, just a little more concealer in the inner corners for a little more coverage, and I'm making sure not to spread that out and just stipple that in place. Next up, I'll be going in with some contour to contour the sides of my face and give it that structure and that depth, and to just put those shadows in place. And as you can see, I'm also stippling it into my skin and just placement. Once again, placement. This video is all about the placement, and I'm just going to do the same to my jawline to give it more structure as well. You also want to make sure you do the forehead so that you can make it look snatched and just bring everything in. Next, we're going to go in with some blush, and I'm just following my face shape and putting that in an angle just above my contour. That's literally it. The next thing you actually want to do is to apply some setting powder, and don't forget to blend out any creasing in your eyes before you apply the setting powder. And I'm just going to apply that to the other areas that I concealed, and then dust off the excess while still pressing some of them into my skin to blend everything out. Now I'm just going to do the same and set my contour in place with the contour powder. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do my nose contour with that same contour powder. And you know the drill. You want to bring out the structure, map out the structure first before you go in to blend. And that's just what I'm doing. After I'm done with the nose contour, I'm going to set my blush in place as well with some blush powder, and then using a fluffy powder brush, I'm just going to blend all that together to avoid any harsh lines. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on some highlighter with my highlighter brush, and also go over that with a fluffy brush as well. Now it's time for the brows, so I'm just going to use a spoolie to brush that up and put that in place with some brow gel before going to fill them in and make sure they're nice and sharp and defined by carving them out or cleaning them up with some concealer. And now I'm just cleaning up that concealer with a small concealer blending brush. Then I'm going to take that concealer that I used and also apply it to my lid to serve as an eyeshadow base for me, and blend that out using the same small concealer blending brush. And then I'm going to set that concealer in place with some powder, and then going in my crease, I'm going to take a brown eyeshadow and just go in my crease to define that crease very well. Then you want to take a shimmery eyeshadow shade and just apply that to the inner corner of your eye. I also brought it down to the down part of my eyes a little bit, and then I'm using a highlighter to highlight my nose and my cupid's bow, and as usual blending it out with a fluffy brush. And now we're getting to the interesting part. So I'm using an eyeliner pencil because I want a smudged eyeliner wing today. So I'm using that eyeliner pencil and I'm just drawing a small winged eyeliner first. And I'm focusing on the outer corners and making sure it's nice and thin to be able to smudge that out later. Now taking a small flat shader brush, I'm going to start to smudge out the eyeliner, and you want to note how I'm holding my brush in a very light-handed way and towards the tip of the brush handle to give it that soft blended look. You don't want to be harsh with it. Now the next thing we're going to do is to apply some brown eyeliner to highlight my eyes, and then I'm going in with some mascara to just add volume and length as usual, and you can see the difference. So now we're going to do the other eye and add some mascara to the lower lashes as well. So when applying your mascara, you want to bend your head and look into the mirror to separate your lower lashes from your face, and then you want to apply that mascara very gently, and that's it. Now I'm just going to add some false lashes to enhance this look and to further accentuate and elongate the eyes. And now that we're done with the eyes, we're going to go ahead to line the lips with a brown lip liner from Davis Cosmetics. I'm also going to fill them in for that pouty nude lip combo effect. And then I'm just going in directly with some nude lip gloss in the center, and taking a clear or transparent lip gloss, I'm going to go over the entire lip with that. And then taking my setting spray, I'm going to drench my face in setting spray as usual and let it dry, or assist it to dry with some hand fan. And guys, this is the finished look. A very simple, very natural smudged eyeliner makeup tutorial. Now, I hope you really learned something from this. If you did, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can check out my video on how to achieve this bubble braids hairstyle that I have on, and I'll see you in that video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.